Google's Nano Banana AI is insane. Could you believe with just one prompt I was able to transform this image of me from this to this, and from this image to this image and this image with just one prompt? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access this Google Nano Banana AI all for free, and also we are going to try some crazy prompts using the Google Nano Banana AI to see the outcome. We are going to try the VFX style, art styles, image swap, image blending, and so many other options if time permits. My name is Debbie, and all I do on this channel is to discuss AI tools with you and also share tips and tricks to help you grow your faceless YouTube channel. Let's get right into the video. So now, for you to access Google Nano Banana AI for free, come to your browser like this and type El Marina AI. It just sounds like somebody's name. Okay, so that's it. El Marina AI. Click on the first link like this. It's going to open a page like this for you. This is the interface. What you're going to do is to bring your cursor to the top here and click on Battle. Now you're going to choose Direct Chat like this. Just after you finish selecting the direct chat, you're going to see ChatGPT 5 high. Click on it like this and choose the Gemini 2.5 flash. Okay, now you can be able to use the Nano Banana AI. For you to use the Nano Banana AI, click on the upload image button and describe what you want the Nano Banana to do for you in that image. Okay, now let's look at the second option to access Nano Banana AI for free. So you come to your browser again and type Google AI Studio Nano Banana in your search like this. Now we're going to choose the first option, the option that comes with Gemini 2.5 flash. So we're going to click on it like this and open. Here is going to take you to the Google AI Studio for you to start using the Nano Banana AI. So you're going to click on the first option here, try Nano Banana, because that's what we want to try here. So tap on it like this. Then you can start generating your images or start transforming your images into VFX style or art style or anything that you want to do with your images. Okay, so it's crazy. Now for you to start generating your images, bring your cursor here and click on this plus sign here. Choose the location where you have your image. So I'm going to click on the upload file button because I have my images on my computer. So just tap on it like this and insert your image. So I'm going to choose one of my images. So let me go with this image and click on the open button. So with the image uploaded here, tell Nano AI what you want Nano AI to do to this image. So with this image, I want Nano AI to transform this image of me into an alien on a different planet. Now let's hit on the run button to see the outcome. This is scary. Okay, so but let's look at it. Let's look at a full image of me. So this is an alien. Hey, so is that how I look like when I become an alien? Okay, so this is how Nano AI transform my image into an alien like this. So what I'm going to do here is to click on the download button to download this image to my computer. So one thing about the use of Nano AI is a prompting. You need to craft your prompt well, be clear and precise about what you want the AI to do for you, and I think you're going to get the desired result. This is AI. Remember, this is AI. So if you request for something and you don't get it, or it doesn't bring out the results you are looking for, you can key in the prompt again and tweak it a little bit so you get the desired result. So now I'm going to take you through some of the generations that I have done so far. So the next one was to try a VFX image style. So this is the image I uploaded here, and then ask the AI to transform it with this prompt. Transform the house into a disaster scene with flames and smoke like Hollywood action movie shot. Now look at what the AI created for me, just as the way I described it. We are going to look at the full image. Now I think I like the results, but I like the result and I like the fact that we have some debris on the floor, meaning that we have some of the parts of the building breaking down. But one thing I don't like is the fact that the clouds is still bright. Okay, the smoke should have spread a little bit for the clouds to be a little bit dark, because this is a house on flames, so there should be some flames scattered in the sky. Okay, but apart from that, I really love everything about this image. Okay, now let's try another image again. for this image, I asked Nano AI to set the car on fire with bright orange flames engulfing the hood, cinematic VFX style. So you can see I intentionally wrote the cinematic VFX style here to see what Nano AI is going to give me. Are you ready for this results? So now let's look at the results. Okay, so this is the results. Wow, this looks like an image from a movie. Okay, so now look at it. I just love the results, but the only issue I have with this image generation is the fact that I can't see one of my tie on the other side. So it looks as if the car is running on two tires because I can't see the tie from the other side. Okay, because when you look at the original image, let me zoom it for you to look at it. When you look at the original image, you can see that the tire from the other side is showing, so you can tell the car is running on four tires. But for the results we have here, the other tire is missing. Now if you get something like this, you can ask the AI to recreate it again to make sure it shows the other time. Okay, now let's go to our next image generation, the art style images. I have this image that I uploaded here and I asked the AI to convert it into an art style. Now I'm going to leave all this prompt in my description section. If you want to have access to all the prompt, just check the description section of this video and copy all the prompts and start using it to generate your images. So now look at the result. This looks so real, so beautiful. I just love it. So look at it. Just look at the background and look at the art that has gone into this image. It looks like someone intentionally painted this portrait. Okay, it's really nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that is what we had when we decided to convert this image into an art style image. Now let's look at the next one that I use a Nano AI to generate. Now this is the image that I imported here, and I asked Nano AI to change the outfit into an ancient warrior costume from the 80s fantasy movies with armor, helmet, and sword. And you won't believe the result I had. Now let's look at the result. So it modeled the same image for me, just that we have an helmet on the face, so you don't know whether it's the same image, but I can tell it's the same image because of the background. You can see it has modeled the entire image and everything in the background. Look at the background carefully and look at this background carefully. You can see that it's the same image. Now let me zoom it for you to see. Yeah, okay, so it's the same image we have here. For you to download it, just bring your cursor down here and click on the download button and download it to your computer and start using it. Now we are going to blend two different images in the same scene to see whether we are going to get the same images, especially consistent images. Consistent images is one of the limitations for most AI generative tools. So we want to see whether we are going to get consistent images when you are blending two different images in the same scene. If we are able to blend two different images in the same scene, giving us consistent characters, meaning that we can use these images or we can use this tool to generate our storytelling videos. So I imported two different images. So these are the two images. Let me show you how to do that. Bring your cursor to the plus button like this and click on upload files and select the images that you want to blend together. So assuming I want to blend this image and this image together, I'll just tap on the two images like this and click on the open button and import these images to Nano. Now these are the images I imported, this one and this one. So the next thing I did was to enter the prompt, blend both subjects into one image, placing them together in a sunny pack together. And this is the outcome of what I requested for. Now you can see the similarities in the image. This is the same person we have here, the lady with the wine gown and the guy and the gentleman by hair. She's still carrying the same facial expression and the gentleman is also carrying the same facial expression. Okay, meaning that you can use this tool to generate images for your faceless storytelling channels or for your African folktale stories. Now look at this image of mine. I asked the AI to wear her an office suit and put her in an office space. Now look at it. This is the outcome. So I'm going to zoom in for you to see whether this image actually looks like my image. Yeah, actually looks like my image, but the only thing I don't like is the fact that it has made me put on weight in this particular image. So when I compare it to the original image, I don't think I look so. I think it looks the same, right? It looks the same, just that it's a bit slightly different from the original image, but I think there's a little bit of similarity here. Now let's look at the next one. The next one was to change my outfit into a banana outfit. So I have this outfit that I generated using image effects, and I asked Nano Banana to wear me this outfit, and look at the outcome. So this is a prompt I use: wear her this banana peel dress and let her sit in an office space. So I think the outfit and the space where we are sitting doesn't match. We should have been in the garden instead. Okay, so you can see the banana peel outfit on my image. Okay, but I don't like the fact that this AI is making me put on weight in this image. Okay, so I need to prompt it well, ask the AI to maintain the same image structure or the same weight in the image. Okay, so I'm going to close that. Then the next one, I asked the AI with the same image to change her outfit into an ancient warrior costume from the 80s fantasy movies with armor and sword but no helmet. Put her in an appropriate scene that fits her personality. So I didn't actually give any scene for this particular image, and this is the outcome. Okay, this is the outcome. This is what the AI generated for me by transforming my outfit into a warrior outfit. And this one, I can see there's so much similarity between this one and the original image. So this is how to access the Nano AI all for free, and this is how to use it. The most important thing is your prompting. Now after you generate all your images, you can animate it using any image to video generation tool of your choice. Okay, so I use a random image generation tool of my choice to animate some of these images. Are you already using Nano AI to generate your images? Let me know your thought about it in the comment section. Share your experience with us in the comment section. If there's something else that you want to know, let me know that in the comment section. Today I'm going to see you in the next video.